Congolese people? Let's start there.
Yeah, this means the victory. Victory for Congolese, it's victory. So, unfortunately, Mr. Fayulu, who's a puppet, in fact, if you follow Fayulu's trajectory, you would just see he's a puppet and
puppet in terms of
puppet of you know, European unions who are singing of him, puppet of some other people who want to use him like Rwanda, because Rwanda has the AU, I mean OAU on hand, so they can, you know, Rwanda has been the one looting in Congo, killing many people in Congo. Everybody knows. And so if Kagame of Rwanda is on top of OAU, he would not like to see Congolese go free.
All right. I hope these claims are definitely substantiated. Definitely. And they're yours. It does not represent what KTN actually stands for. Okay. But it's a good thing you've mentioned the African Union. They were just about to send a delegation, a special delegation, to the DRC in the wake of this elections. We saw SADC, the 16-member community body, actually sent their message of congratulations to Felix Tshisekedi after this particular ruling by the top court in DRC. We also saw Kenya send their message of congratulations. What does this mean for Congo, especially in terms of getting support from regional neighbors? Even though the African Union might still be a little bit reluctant in giving their congratulatory messages?
No, I mean, every democratic country which has a stable government would give congratulations to Felix Tshisekedi. He is also, I mean, he's portraying democracy in that country which many people did not dream. You know, when Congo becomes stable, the whole Africa has to enjoy. Definitely. Not only Congolese. So all those countries who have, you know, who have stable governments, they are really grateful of what has happened in Congo. So except from those league of those countries who are not wanting to see good Africa, good governance in Africa. I want to tell you that Felix Tshisekedi is the man that Congolese awaited for a long, long time. You can see 35 years of fight for democracy. And this guy was next to his father that we know, Mr. Etienne Tshisekedi, the leader of democracy in Congo.
Yes.
And this young man grew up next to his father in every sequence. Every sequence he was, in every step he could do.
All right.
So he is well trained in democracy. He knows what it means. He is the only politician in DRC who knows what it means by a rule of law, by, you know, good governance of democracy.
All right, all right. So, even before we narrow down on this individual, Felix Tshisekedi, the support of European Union as well. We've seen a lot of interest in DR Congo, and many might argue it's due to its vast resources, especially from European nations. Now, kindly bring us up to speed. Why this interest in Congo? And we actually saw them according to poll results, before the poll results, they had actually shown that Fayulu might actually be the winner of this particular elections. They had predicted that. But now, vis-a-vis the election results, Tshisekedi is a man. Let's bring into context the link between European nations and the Democratic Republic of Congo. Do they do more good than harm?
No, they do more harm than good.
Why is this?
You know, we have known Europe for centuries. They never gave anything to Congo, only wars, demonizing governments. You know, Mobutu was there, he died like a devil. Lumumba, Kasavubu, Laurent Kabila. So even this Kabila, he's just lucky that he has done good, handover of the power. He was also going to be demonized. So what I want to say is that Europe, they've done more harm to Congo by creating wars, you know, to loot Congo. Those wars you hear in Congo, it was to loot Congo. And they had the man Fayulu, who was just in 2 weeks, tell me, in 2 weeks somebody who was not having, who did not settle his party all over Congo. And you can see the surface of Congo. In 2 weeks, can you really settle your political party everywhere and go to the electorate? No, there's no way. So they were just doing the propaganda the way they are used. You know, Congolese don't understand many things. They are used just to play with the propaganda, play with the media, and just pick somebody from nowhere, put him there, and tell Congolese, this is elected president. No, Fayulu cannot face Tshisekedi, let me tell you.
Okay,
that's the truth.
That's a done deal as it stands, ever since the Supreme Court actually backed his legitimacy being voted in as a president. Now, Felix Tshisekedi, you've praised him, definitely. But, okay, last time we had this conversation, I questioned the power that he might actually have, not just in terms of the seat, but as an individual to steer the DRC in the right direction. Now, bring me up to speed with what Felix Tshisekedi is meant to do, because his in-tray must be full in terms of transitioning from the long-serving Joseph Kabila, who seems to have fallen out of favor, to actually bring the DRC to be a regional powerhouse that it should be, not just in Africa, but in the world as well. What's the in-tray of Felix Tshisekedi like?
He symbolizes the future of the DRC. That is true. The guy will have to put all Congolese together, which is very easy for him, because if you go, compared to the regional appreciation of people about Felix Tshisekedi, you will find that in all the regions, the guy is appreciated. He's known, very well known. And his party has been settled all over, the DRC. So he's somebody who can put the Congolese together. I know even, his own character is a resembler. And I know these, the European Union and other powers that are negative to stability of Congolese, they cannot just be that powerful to overtake other powers that would appreciate to see the stable world, to see the stable Africa. I think he will take advantage of that. He will use those other powers who are ready to work with Congo. In fact, we don't need the European Union. It is too much.
Okay.
It is too much.
Okay, Mukendi Kasanda, once again, congratulations. Congo has definitely done Africa proud, and we'll definitely be looking forward to the swearing in of Felix Tshisekedi tomorrow.
That is true, yeah.
All right, many thanks.